The world remembers the winner. The world cheers the turtle. No one asks why the rabbit lost. Today, you'll hear the part they left out.
Take it slow and easy. I will easily win the race before you could even cross half of the race.
Where are you running so fast, little rabbit?
Fear makes you run everywhere except where you need to go. I darted sideways, hid behind roots, pressed my body into the earth. The tiger slowly returned. By the time I returned and finished the race, the turtle already won. Everyone were celebrating the turtle's victory. Congratulations, turtle, for your victory. Do you know what it feels like to be remembered for the wrong reason? To have your entire story reduced to one mistake? Every time they say, "Don't be like the rabbit," I wonder how many people lost their race because of battles no one saw.
Applaud the winners. But remember, some battles are invisible.